internet, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I have the October, pretty sure it's the October Zenpop box. Yep. How cute is that? This is like a bunch of animals around a dining table. That is very, very cute. Okay. So, oh, okay. It's very like giving nature, very nature-esque. So this is the first one. How cool is this? So it's two types of post-it notes. You've got a mountain range and then some sky, and they're kind of sitting on top of each other. I really like that. That's so cool. We have some camping washi tape. I'm just gonna see actually the design better here. Let me just open it up. A better look at the washi tape. It's so cool, so intricate. I love it. Okay. I've not seen these before. This is kind of like grips. So these are three. So these are like three rubber grips that you can put around pencils so they're easier to hold. I don't personally use these very much because I don't actually have much of a problem, but sometimes I do feel like I get tired writing, so I might give these a shot and see if it makes writing a little bit more comfortable so I can write a little bit more long. Okay, I'm not going to try this one on camera, which I'm very sorry because it's literally just a fountain pen. It is a platinum preppy pen. They're very popular fountain pens. This is in 0.3, which is typically known as extra fine, but hey, I love a good fountain pen. This is a good line. It's very beginner friendly. I think like very seasoned fountain pen lovers probably would use something a little bit more exotic, but I love this for writing. I can write for a really long time with this particular fountain pen. And then we have, checklist notebook. Date, check, things to do. That is cool. Very nice. And then more sticky notes. These are really tiny, so I guess these would be used more like tabs that you would put into books. Very on point because I just bought a book that Violet recommended that would use these tabs really well. And then we have some beautiful, we got so many. These all stickers. Yeah, I'm not complaining. I love these. But so these are beautiful camping stickers. They're so beautiful. I don't know, I'm just really into it right now. Yeah, these are more stickers. I think I'm spoiled for stickers in this particular kit, and I'm not complaining because they're beautiful, very nature, very natural watercolor stickers. This is my vibe right now. I'm really loving these as more decorative stickers. And then the watercolor, 2 sheets. No, these are stickers as well, but I think they're designed for a particular Midori notebook. That's why they're saying water-based markers compatible sticker sheets. I don't think I've ever seen a Zenpop box with like 3 stickers, but I really love them. Oh, and these are just some extra inks for the fountain pen. FYI, so these are like cartridges that you use. You can have some fountain pens that like draw the ink in, and then some you just put cartridges in. I actually prefer the ones where you draw the ink in because then you can buy those little bottles of fountain ink and you can have lots of different colors. So not my favorite to use cartridges, but I'm going to use these because I love fountain pens and I do use them quite often. So yeah, that is very quick, and that is everything in October's Zenpop box. There's really nothing to try, so I guess this video is going to wrap up pretty soon. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is Lena reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.